Hi, Deadlock's here again, and again, today I'm planning on doing a comparison between these Russian BRS2 handcuffs and the remarkably similar Czech handcuffs, which are made by Alfa Proj, apparently, made in the Czech Republic. Both. It is a weird name. Both very similar cuffs. Just on a quick glance, you can obviously see they're black, these are chrome. These only have one chain link between, whereas the BRS has two. Apart from that, looks wise there's not much difference. What you do quickly learn, these are a lot smoother than the Russian counterpart. Wouldn't you agree, Mrs. D?
Yeah, completely.
Not that she's ever touched them, she doesn't know. She's talking rubbish.
I'm not talking rubbish,
I'm assuming that the keys are exactly the same. Just get a key stuck in here. Oh, the key works in there, and oh, the Russian key does not fit in the Czech ones. It is too thick.
So you were wrong?
But the Czech one works in the Russian cuffs.
But you were wrong?
I never claimed that it would work. I thought it would.
You were wrong?
Well, I'm kind of testing things on camera here. Like
Just admit you were wrong!
I would have been wrong if I said these will definitely work.
Oh my god, you can never agree, can you?
Not when you're wrong. Well, looking at the construction, we can see these Russian ones has like 4 bits of metal sandwiched together in there to make up the body. Is that focusing well? I can't really tell. See if we can get some light on the subject. That'll work.
You want the light on?
There we go. We have 4 pieces of metal sandwiched together on the Russians. Or it's just 3 on the Czech. That's nice and smooth, everything fits together really well, but on these Russian ones they all seem to be different sizes and the gaps between them are all different. Bit rough. Czech ones have push button for the double lock. Russians have push pin, which weirdly enough use the end of the key instead of the back of the key. Also different is, have a look in here, you have don't know if it can be seen here, but 3 bits sticking out there that run through all that groove on the bore. That's to strengthen the bore and make it run through better and stuff. It only has that one and the slight things on there. On Czech ones it only has one at the end, but it has it both sides. They were right in close together. And obviously you have the track on both sides of the bore now.
Like so.
Because Mrs. D can see exactly what's going on right now.
I can.
Can you?
Yeah.
Which ones am I touching?
The black ones.
Let's say you're wrong. You had a 50-50 shot there as well, so...
I'm colourblind, they're all black for me.
I say. I don't think that's true.
Oh, it's not true. But still.
Again, you have the split poles in there, so you need the split key in both of them.
A heartbreaker.
Yes, except for the heartbreaker doesn't go all the way through to the top on them, so you can shim them with a long but standard shim. It has to be long because the pole's right back here and you can't back shim these. I know, I have tried. Actually, I haven't tried to back shim these. I tried to back shim the BRS and couldn't do it. Maybe.
I think you just need to show everybody the remnants of your bruise. And tell everybody what you did.
I escaped some handcuffs like a boss.
No, you escaped some handcuffs being a silly bugger.
I thought I'd done it there. Again, try again. Can I back shim them?
Mr. Deadlock's nearly broke his arm.
Didn't nearly break my arm.
The bruise on your arm says different.
It was just a little bruise.
It's not a little bruise at all. It's a rather large bruise.
No, I don't think I'm back shimming these neither. So you can't back shim either of them, and you need a very long shim to get to the thing. Now is the double lock just as easy on these Czech ones? So that'll work well. So if we put the double lock on these Russian ones, all you really need is a little hook like that and go in that hole at the bottom. And there we go, that's the double lock off. Let's see if it is any better on these Czech ones.
It's not.
What do you know?
Is it?
Oh. Oh, there we go. I'll try that again, see if that was just me failing.
It probably was. Tell how super supportive I am.
Yep. There we go. That slightly narrower keyway does seem to make it a little tricky to hit that right spot. So yeah, two very similar sets of handcuffs. These ones are clearly better.
Clearly.
Clearly.
Oh, are you the expert, are you?
Well, they're better made. The fit's better. They'll have a push button double lock. The push button double lock doesn't do that thing where you can escape using the double lock.
Oh.
Back attack doesn't work on them because the bow's on the wrong side.
Oh.
On both of them. I don't know why I'm saying that as a bonus for the Czech ones. So that's both of them. Czech ones, they're very similar, just the Czech ones are better made.
See?
I like them. And the shiny.
Oh,
You like shiny things.
I do. More weird looking shiny things.
Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!
Open. Open. It's not open. It's not voice activated. Open it. It says, open it. No.